We're here today to talk about Low-E Housewrap. What you have in this product is a closed-cell polyethylene foam core, great for insulation, but it also helps to self-seal around all of your fasteners. On the outside, you have a pure polished aluminum foil facing. I think it's great. I think every homeowner, once they find out about it, more and more people are going to be interested in this because everybody wants to lower their energy bills. It actually gives you an R4 behind vinyl siding. It's a sound deadener, so for those people that want a quiet home, you got it. It is a standalone house wrap that goes right over the OSB. It's a great product on the house. Not only does it give you all the insulation benefits, but it is an ICC approved house wrap, and it's a Class A, Class 1 flame and smoke product. It has all these benefits in one application. It's not just about the aesthetics on the outside. We want to take care of you on the inside too. Housewrap, our value, gives you some energy efficiency. Give us a call at Housewrap and let us help you out with your energy bills.